Well, back again, YouTube. Got my 1978 1658 bolens hydrostat. And last time I talked to you guys, I had replaced the head gasket, filled the trench in the head, TIG welded it. A buddy of mine did. And now I've got I'm burning a lot of smoke. So one thing I didn't do when I first did is I didn't check the rings or anything. I mean, I moved the piston back and forth. Wasn't good enough apparently. So I got my compression tester out and I cranked her over and I'm at 42 pounds. Now I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be, but I know 42 is way too low. So one trick you can do is you can pour a couple of tablespoons of motor oil in the cylinder itself and then do a second compression test. Now what that's going to do is that's going to tell you whether or not it's the rings. Okay? If it's the valves, the compression will still stay low, but if it's the rings, the oil should fill the gap that the rings aren't taking up. So your compression should obviously go up. And it did, so it's the rings. It went up to about 125-ish because it had a hard time cranking it over because there was so much compression. Now that leads me into my second question. I charged the battery. The battery's at 12.65 volts, and when I'm running it, it's at 12.7 volts. So what I know about alternators is, on a car, is it boosts up the voltage a couple of volts. Well, does the magneto or stator on these things, I'm not sure which one produces the current, but do they boost it up a couple volts? I don't know, maybe someone on YouTube can help me out. Obviously this is old wiring and everything, and I don't doubt that there's something faulty in the whole circuit here, but if that's the case, I need to figure it out. Maybe someone can tell me. Thanks.